I can't wait to tell you about today's animal, the wombat. Wombats have thick fur, short legs, and small ears. They live in eucalyptus forests in Australia. Wombats keep their babies in a pouch on their bellies. Unlike kangaroos, the pouch faces backwards, toward their bottoms. This keeps their babies clean while they're digging burrows. Here's what they sound like. Would you like to know something cool about wombats? Okay, I read on justfunfacts.com that the giant wombat, an ancestor of modern-day wombats, lived during the Ice Age and was the size of a rhinoceros. ऐसे ही और वीडियो के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को दबाएं।